Hi there, folks. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 2499 Country Club Drive. There's our $24.99. Anyway, first thing I want to do is I want to give a big shout out to Margaret Reynolds. She is with Remax Aerospace Realty, and she's the listing agent on this gorgeous little property, and she has given us permission to video so I can take you on a tour. Now, folks, we're listed at $89,900. Can you imagine? We are in Royal Oak Townhouse Condo, and this is a super cute little place. Like, when was the last time you heard of places under $100,000? So here's the kitchen, folks. We're gonna do a little bit of a backup tour here so you can see them. We've got some nice cabinets. Look at these. These are all looking really good. You got your refrigerator, your stove, your dishwasher. And we're at 1,075 square foot, folks. And we are with 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bath. Look at this nice big living room space. Isn't that nice? And yes, folks, that is a pool out back. We're going to get there in a minute. We are. Gonna try to take you slow enough so you can take a look at the entire place here. So, can you imagine just stepping out your back door? Look at that shiny blue pool. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that gorgeous? You got a little patio area to sit on right outside the door here. We're going to turn around here and give you a nice big glance of this. You get a nice big area here. Pretty floor. Nice little area to put a kitchen table, pass-through window. So what do you think, folks? Isn't this place really cool? And again, don't forget I said $89,900. So here's your half bath, folks. That way your guests do not have to go upstairs. You can be hanging out downstairs, watching a movie, eating some popcorn, and then you can jet right on over here without going up into your personal space. So we've got carpets on the stairs, which is nice, and then no carpet anywhere else. So look at the size of this bedroom, folks. This is a nice sized bedroom. Look at this. Got 2 closets, some shelving over there. And you can see we got some big furniture in here, folks. Got a dresser, 2 big, huge end tables, if that's what you want to call them. And then we've got our bed. And we got a nice little patio area so you can wake up in the morning. You can actually step right outside into your screened-in patio. Take a look at the pool. All right, folks, let's go check out the other bedroom. So here is your full bath. Love the wood look on this side there. You have a tub shower combo here. A little skylight up here. All right, folks, let's go check out this other bedroom. So you got 2 really, really nice sized bedrooms, folks. That was actually really nice. Plantation shutters. That's what I was trying to think of. I could not remember the name. I know, I'm getting old. My mind is going. But it's okay, folks. We'll eventually remember all the right words. So there's our front door again, folks. Just to give you a little recap, you walk in, you got your kitchen area, you got that big old living room area and that gorgeous pool right outside the door. So again, folks, let's do a little bit of recapping. We are at 2499 Country Club Drive, listed at $89,900. Can you imagine? So, super low maintenance Florida living. Sounds like a perfect fit for a lot of people. First thing I want to do is give one more big shout out to Margaret Reynolds. She was kind enough to let us go on this little tour so that we could bring this to you. If you would like to see this condo in person, up live and close where you can touch it, open everything, you can either give Margaret a call and she will be glad to bring you over here, or you can call myself. My name is Margaret Klein. Look at that, 2 Margarets working together. So I am with eXp Realty, and my number is 321-480-7662. Hope you enjoyed this little tour, folks, and give either one of us a call if you want to take a look. You have an amazing day. Signing off.